Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell with a comment to motivate us to add more explanations. Thank you all. Google Chrome is the most popular open-source web browser developed by Google. It runs on Linux, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. In this videos, we will show you how to easily install Google Chrome on Fedora 38 Linux system. This is the same process used to install Google Chrome on CentOS 8, related Linux distribution. Google Chrome is not available in the CentOS/Fedora upstream repositories and should be downloaded from the official Google Chrome download page and installed manually. We will download the RPM release of Google Chrome and use DNF or Yum Package Manager to install it. You need to have J installed on your CentOS/roll system to use for the download. navigate to the directory with the downloaded package and execute. Press Y to accept Google Chrome installation on Fedora, CentOS workstation. To launch Chrome, use Gnome Activities menu to search for Google Chrome and launch it. There you have it. Enjoy using Google Chrome browser on your Fedora workstation.